Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, 24th of July, Monday, starting the week with economic data. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI came higher than expected. We expected 46, we got 49, but composite and services came lower than expected. And the key to understand what the market did is basically we are trying to think about avoiding recession. So we need all these PMI as higher as possible. But apart from the economic data and tomorrow's house price index and consumer confidence, everyone is watching and waiting for Wednesday Fed interest rate decision, 25 basis points. I think it's already priced in at 2 p.m. And the other half of the market is watching earnings. Monday, today, after the close, nothing big, but tomorrow, after the close, Microsoft and Google, Alphabet. And on Wednesday, after the close, Meta. So if you are feeling a little bit choppy on the market, it's basically because of that. Three of the biggest stocks in the tech market are reporting earnings this week, and all these guys are also reporting earnings. Almost 60% of the Nasdaq of the markets are reporting earnings this week. So without hesitation, we are going to jump straight into the charts to basically see how the Nasdaq performed. Look at this. This was pre-market level at around 13,600, and we couldn't hold above that. And look at this move right at support on the 30-minute chart. That was beautiful. Let me show you. That was a beautiful support of 15,488. Previous resistance is now support down here, supporting the fact that we are watching these two pivots. So basically we did this, and we broke out of the range, and we are now pulling back. If you are freaking out because we are seeing some red candles last week, reassess your understanding and your sentiment, because don't get me wrong, it's understandable that you are worried about this pullback because due to volatility, this candle on Thursday was quite big. But if we check the 1-hour chart and the 2-hour chart better, we are just testing support down here. And let me tell you, on the weekly, the levels are set on this topping tail, but today's price action shows a little bit of details. Look at these details. First, the bounce of this previous resistance is now support, and also the second did higher low intraday of last week low. And we are trying to trend to break to the upside this trend, and we are doing it. We are right now crossing pre-market highs, building momentum to the upside, and we are actually in the green. Who's carrying the market? Apple is 0.60. It's not that. Microsoft is not that, quite choppy. Look at Tesla. Tesla is pushing the market up after the pullback, and it's the one that is pushing this sentiment upside. Amazon, a little bit of in the red today, 0.55. Google is quite good on the day, 1.50, holding this gap up during the overnight. Nvidia is also holding the gap after this big whipsaw that we saw. And Meta is also in the red, 0.50. But overall, this is not a bad day for the Nasdaq. This is not good price action. This is difficult price action to trade. We are chopping around big moves. But overall, if we're seeing these key details, these technical levels holding up, you have to really be at least optimistic towards the interest rate decision on Wednesday. Because as I was saying, the 4-hour chart is showing this ascending triangle breakout and now pulling back. And what it was resistance is now support. If you have to take home one of the things today from the market, that is support, key support intraday of these two levels. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I think we all know that on Wednesday we are going to see a lot of volatility, and who knows how the market will react. But what is sure is that today some technical nuances are there. So bring that home, be optimistic. I think we are better than most people are trying to explain in the media and on news. So I'm certainly still bullish, very cautious, but bullish. And we are now testing pre-market highs. Let's see if we can test again the big level into the afternoon of high of day, because if that happens, oh boy, we might start squeezing up again into this lower high, lower high, lower high, and this move might happen towards FOMC. So I think that's all. I want today's video to be real quick. I'm not going to review other markets because everything fundamental this week is basically on the sidelines. We have to focus on tomorrow's earnings, Wednesday's earnings, and on Wednesday interest rate decisions, and watching what Jerome Powell has to say. So apart from that, if you are green on the day, congratulations, you are starting the week ahead of a lot of people. And this week is for patience. Patience is going to be key this week. There will be plenty full of opportunities this week. But don't be the first one crossing the door. Don't be the first one entering the trades, taking trades on the breakouts, because I don't think that aggressiveness is good for this week. So let me just recommend you be patient and just wait for your setup. And when it's there, smash that button to the trade, because this week I think it's going to be awesome for momentum traders and for people, investors and traders that want volatility in the markets. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, support the channel, subscribe to the channel. I upload videos every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. So hope you had a good trading day. There's still a couple of hours, 2 more hours, sorry, towards the end of the day. I think we are going to have that test. Let's see what happens. I'm going to watch the close today for sure. I'm not going to trade, but I'm really interested to see if we retest high of day today. Thank you for your time. Remember that discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.